So how much would it be to have a dealer or somebody replace the heater core on a Volkswagen Passat? This one happens to be a 2015, and we just finished replacing the heater core in it. And if you had somebody do this job, it'd probably be around $1,100. You know, there's a few hours of labor involved, so dealerships probably get about $200 an hour now in labor, plus the cost of parts. And we've got a video that'll show you how to do this job. If it's something you feel comfortable doing in your driveway, you can watch the video, see what's involved with it, and try to tackle it on your own. It's not a really hard job to do, but it does take a little bit of patience, and you're gonna have to set aside an afternoon. So what I'll do is I'll put, at the end of this video, I'll put a link to the video that shows you how to replace the heater core in this vehicle. Check that out, watch it, sit back with the beers, a popcorn or something, watch the whole thing, see if it's something you want to get involved in, and it'd probably save a lot of money if you do it on your own if you're able to. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or leave a comment, and I'll reply back to you. Take it easy.